Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how you can actually connect your real Apple AirPods to a Amazfit smartwatch or an Amaz smartwatch. This is the Amazfit Balance here. And let's go ahead and get started. So before you do anything with your smartwatch, you'll first need to get your AirPods into the pairing mode state. So in order to do this here, just make sure, of course, that your AirPods are in the case itself. They have some battery life in them and that they are not connected to another device so that they won't reconnect to that device. Once you open it up like this here, you should get a green light to let you know that it's got some good battery life. And at the back of your AirPods case here, you'll see this button right there. You're gonna hold down that button until you see the white light, and it's gonna blink, and let it blink for at least 5 times to ensure that it stays in a pairing mode state for a good while. So go ahead and hold it down now, and you'll see it starts blinking. And just count at least 3 to 5 times and let it go. So keep the case lid open so it can stay in the pairing mode here. Now on your Amaz smartwatch or Amazfit smartwatch, we are going to the top part here, swipe down like this. Then we will tap on the settings. And we'll go to where it says the Bluetooth right here. So go here, then turn it on. And as it's on, you'll go to where it says headphone. And it's gonna be searching for nearby devices here. So you can scroll like this here and you'll see the AirPods show up. When you tap on it, you'll get the pairing request here and you'll have to press a check mark so you can get it to connect. You'll see the green light on the AirPods and it'll also say connected. And now when you're ready to use it, also you can have the auto reconnect enabled so that the next time you open up the AirPods case, it's gonna reconnect to the Amazfit smartwatch, okay? So now we'll come out of here and I'll just go to this here. So in case you have some songs here, I'll just let you go here now. And I'm gonna take out the AirPods out of the case. Okay, so you can actually hear them playing. So hopefully this doesn't give me a copyright, by the way. So we'll press play now. I don't know why it's not. Okay, there you go. And I'll bring up the volume. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of low, but you can hear it. Okay, I'm sure you heard that, and it's all set and ready to go, okay? So that should be it for this guide here, and if it did help you out, like and sub.